If your sink stopper is stuck closed, it can be super annoying, but fixing it usually doesn't need a plumber. First, check the linkage under your sink. Sometimes the little metal or plastic arm that connects the sink lever to the stopper gets stuck or rusty. Try spraying some lubricant, like WD-40, on the linkage and wiggle it back and forth a few times. If that does not work, look for any bent or broken parts on the linkage and adjust or replace them if needed. Next, try lifting the stopper manually by reaching into the drain. Make sure your hands are clean or wear gloves, and see if it moves freely. If it feels stuck, clean out any hair, gunk, or debris that might be jamming it. Sometimes mineral buildup causes the stopper to get stuck, so soaking it in vinegar can help dissolve that. Also, check if the stopper itself is damaged. If it is cracked or warped, replacing it is the easiest fix. Remember to test the pop-up lever after each adjustment to see if it's working smoothly. One of the biggest mistakes people make with sink stoppers is ignoring the linkage problem and just forcing the lever, which can break parts and make things worse. The fix here is to inspect and lubricate the linkage regularly to keep everything moving smoothly. Another common issue is not cleaning out the stopper and drain regularly, so hair and soap scum build up and cause blockages. Just take time to remove debris every few weeks to prevent this. Lastly, many folks don't replace worn-out stoppers in time, which leads to constant sticking or leaks. The easiest way to avoid this is to swap out your stopper once you notice damage or persistent problems. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like sink repairs quickly and affordably. It also helps contractors connect with people who actually need their skills, making life easier for everyone involved.